This is the long-awaited system test 60 of the fire alarm system. I've made a few changes to it. That battery fault has actually just appeared now. It's probably a loose connection of the batteries have had it. So yeah, let me show you around. In here we've got the Apollo ionization. Placed the Rafiki core point here with Casey sounder. Out here we've got the Apollo optical with the flash neon on the wall, and in the hallway we've got the Apollo optical as well. Also, I'm not sure if I've showed you the test of these emergency lights I've installed recently. That's just standard light. That's a maintained emergency one, and that one is. Show you them quickly. So that's a modern battery, which they are quite bright. That's it on normally. So they're quite good little lights. Anyway, let's get on with the test. Let's shove it into walk test. I'm not sure why that flashing is quiet. I thought I had turned the volume up, but I mustn't have done. Right, let's do this one. That was nowhere near close. Will it set off? Has that one just reactivated? Yes. Oh no. Oh, the light's not on, it's just the light in the ceiling reflecting. There we go. Well, that'll just reset. Now I'll test the core point. Yeah, that is a system test 60 of the fire alarm system. Well, according to my panel, it doesn't want to end the video. Right, it'll have just been one of them Apollos resetting off again. So yeah, that is system test 60 of the fire alarm system.